Hi there, friends. It's wonderful to see you today. If you're over 60, or even in your late 50s, I have something incredibly important to share. Did you know that after the age of 60, we naturally start losing muscle mass? It's a condition called sarcopenia. And it's not just about looking strong. But the good news is, there's something simple you can do before bed each night to help rebuild and protect those precious muscles. Now, you might be thinking, 1 spoon of what? Well, stick with me because it's probably already in your kitchen. Here's where that 1 spoonful before bed comes in. Research shows that having a small serving of high-quality protein at night helps feed your muscles while you sleep. Your body actually repairs and builds muscle during the nighttime hours. And one of the best and easiest options is Greek yogurt. Just 1 spoonful, or a small bowl, before bed can give you a slow-release source of protein called casein.